Exclamation mark is a not null assertion in TypeScript. Basically, you are taking the full responsibility that the value you are providing will be for sure not be null or undefined. So here we have a customer with an age, and it's optional parameter, and TypeScript is for sure saying I cannot add undefined plus 3. So here we can say that for sure age will be present in this customer. The problem is if you are passing the customer that doesn't have an age, you will get a runtime error. Another example with a find function. Because find can return undefined on an object, it complains for sure that I cannot do age of undefined. So here we are saying, because I can see that there are customers, there is Alex with age 10, I can for sure say that there will be Alex with age 10. And another is because it's still age can be undefined or number, we can also use exclamation mark. In this case, age of Alex will be for sure a number. But just a reminder, this is no protection for your code, because in case if you remove Alex, the TypeScript will not throw any error. So be really careful using it. Another solution, just to show, is just plain simple if age, then, and it will also work. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.